Hey guys, welcome back. It's Eric. Got another nice little silver unboxing for you today. And shout out to Salivate Metal. You're not the only one with a cute cuddly kitty to hang out with you. Say hi to Oscar. Hey buddy. Let's check out what we came for. And yeah, I went ahead and pre-opened this. I hate wrestling with a freaking package in the middle of a video. Got a bunch of coin capsules for some other coins. I figured it was about time. When I first ordered, I got all the same size, and I got a couple of coins that rattle around, so finally got the right size ones for them. And let's see what we got in the bag. Alright. Well, as you guys know, my bread and butter. Another tube of 20 American Eagles. If we're going to get the fancy stuff, got to keep the core of your stack building. And onto the good stuff. This is the one, Queen's Beast, the unicorn that was just released. This was what was holding up my whole order until it was available. We'll take a closer look when we get these all out. Here's the Red Dragon of Wales. Nice looking coin. And nobody cares about that side. There we get the lion. I love these 2-ounce coins, they feel nice. And last but not least, get out of here. We got the Griffin. Alright, hold tight, we'll be right back. Alright, we've all seen the birds, there's all 20 of them. Let's check out the beasts. This is the first one, the 2-ounce Lion of England. We've all seen Queenie. Boy, what a nice looking coin. Then we got the Griffin of Edward. Next was the Lion of Wales. I like that. And the recent release, Unicorn of Scotland. There she is. I love the detail. Beautiful. Well, there it is, guys. The birds and the beasts. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed.